Keyboard jong District Tourism Promotion Society lambat keyboard office u Deputy Commissioner ke District Riboy. Kilakot ikjingilang ke bakerki benikaran lo kejing persya ikjingte ke Taj Resort and Spa ha Umiam kam tam benta jong dulan nong Lumpongdeng. Lawan benishim benta ke ikjingilang de kinong lam Shnong na Thaiñ Umiam bagentop ya kamolendep umsau umbir umnyu bat Umiam. Nalon ki officer na ketenat Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board na ketenat jengokai pertai bat na ketenat forest. Nagaliang u Abilash Baranwal u Deputy Commissioner ke District Riboy uliatho balakot kerki agani ke jingelang baniatai lo ke Jingthmu jeng sarkar jela bantai ke Taj Resort and Spa jan kepung Umiam ya ke bala persya apat agani yalam ke Green Tech Foundation balakershan ru ke KSU bat keseng VPP uliatho ru balengba ke jingelang nagaliang kinong yalam Jingkyrshan Shnong na Umiam ilapan pau bakim dan kanu ke jing persya halo ke Jingthmu jeng sarkar jela ban kentio ya ke kam jeng okai pertai lingba ke jingtai ya ke ni ke resort dan kabal kedau bakan dan ke jingketa ya ke nong Lumpongdeng u Abilash Baranwal ula pentip ru bagi jing angnuat jikinong yalam Shnong kalong pat bagi sarkar jela ke dewan pai kemat ban aikam ai jam shwai ki kon samla ne kini Shnong bat ki Shnong bamarjan kum kalat ban aikam ai jam ya ki samla ne kini Thaiñ.
We had today called one meeting from District Tourism Promotion Society. We had invited all the stakeholders starting from all the 5 Shnongs, Umber, Molendep, Umiam, etc. And we had also invited MSPCB, MECL, Tourism Officer of course, and Green Tech Foundation, who has been protesting against the project. However, the Green Tech Foundation refused to participate. They did not really come to participate in the meeting. However, all the Shnongs were present, and we have explained everything to the Shnong. We asked them if they have been we explained everything regarding the project, and they are in support of the same. And we also explained them the different contentious aspects which were regarding construction on Lumpongdeng Island, and we explained them the stance of the government as well as the different aspects of the tender which has been floated by Tourism Department. So the outcome of meeting was quite productive. We were to start with, we were disappointed with with Green Tech's decision to not really come forward for the meeting. However, we had a very productive discussion with the Shnongs, and they have expressed support for the project going forward. And they also inquired about the construction part as far as the island is concerned, and we showed them the tender document, as I said, and they went very satisfied knowing that no permanent construction can take place over there, even though the environmental norms of the country allow permanent construction to take place on islands within a particular restriction set. However, the government of Meghalaya, understanding the importance of environment and the environmental concerns of the people, in the tender document itself, they have clearly specified that any construction, so-called construction, or any erection on the Lumpongdeng Island will only be of temporary nature, something which can easily be dismantled, which can easily be removed, and it cannot be of permanent nature. It can only be of some makeshift structures for temporary events, nothing more than that. So that specific information I do not really have. That was not really flagged by any of the Shnong also during the meeting. However, the Shnongs were requesting for being given preference in livelihood opportunities, and for which we assured them that this is something that we'll facilitate meeting with the tourism department also, so that they can air their concerns, and especially they can place their request to the department for livelihood opportunities. As of now, no opposition from the village. In fact, they were very supportive of the government initiative. However, they just wanted more information on the same, and for that also we have assured them that there will be meetings with the directorate as well. But in principle, they were quite supportive of the initiative, and they are in complete agreement with the government in its vision of developing Umiam as a world-class destination for tourists.